Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Philips espresso machines, the 3200 series, EP 3246/74, and the 3300 series, EP 3341/50. Both seem pretty good, but I'm not sure which one to get.
Oh yeah, I saw those. The 3300 is newer, right? It seems to have a couple things going for it.
Yeah, the 3300 is newer. The 3200 is listed as renewed as well, so that's a factor. But what are the main differences technically?
Well, the 3300 boasts about making 6 hot and Snimes iced drinks, while the 3200 just mentions 5 coffee options. And it looks like the 3300 has silent brew technology, aiming for quieter operation. That could be a big plus if you're making coffee early in the morning.
Good point about the noise. I hadn't noticed that. Does the 3200 say anything about noise levels?
Nope. Nothing specifically mentioned about noise reduction for the 3200. Also, the 3300 has the Home ID app integration, which could be useful for finding new recipes and learning about the machine.
Okay, that's interesting. What about the milk frothing system? Both have LatteGo, right?
Correct. Both use Philips' LatteGo system, which is supposed to be super easy to clean. 2 parts, no tubes, dishwasher safe, that kind of thing.
What about descaling? I hate descaling.
Both have the AquaClean filter, promising up to 5,000 cups without descaling, so pretty similar there.
What about the grinders? Are they the same?
Both use ceramic grinders, which are supposed to be durable and last for 20,000 cups. The 3200 highlights the 12-step grinder adjustment, so you can fine-tune the grind. The 3300 doesn't mention the number of steps specifically, but it likely has a similar range.
Okay. So the 3300 has more drink options, quieter operation with silent brew, app integration, and is a newer model. But the 3200 might be cheaper since it's renewed, even though the listing states it is unavailable to purchase currently.
Exactly. And the 3300 is definitely heavier, 17.63 pounds, versus the 3200 listed as 0.01 ounces, which is definitely wrong, should be pounds also. If you make iced coffee often and want a quieter machine and don't mind the price jump, the 3300 seems like the better bet. But if you're on a budget and don't need those extras, the 3200 might be sufficient if you can find one for sale.
Thanks. That really helps to clarify things. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.